The Equipmed SmartRoller 2-in-1 rollator and wheelchair offers the perfect combination of safety, durability and comfort. It is easy to transport and unfolds in seconds, and has a strong yet lightweight aluminium frame. Its ergonomic handlebars provide comfort and control, and the good-sized wheels roll smoothly over the bumps. If you'd like a break and help is at hand, this innovative product can quickly be converted to be used as a transit wheelchair for use on smooth surfaces. The footrests can be tailored to the perfect length and swing up for easy access. The park brakes are easily activated for safely getting on or off. Convenient storage means you can take belongings wherever you go. And the comfy padded seat allows you to just take in the view. Enjoyment of the outdoors has never been easier. The Equipmed SmartRoller has everything you need. Experience the freedom you deserve with Equipmed.